Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Shilpi Muddana from Rejuvenate OT Online. Today, 27th of October, is celebrated as the World Occupational Therapy Day. We, Rejuvenate OT Online team, has come together on this special day to give a small contribution on how occupational therapy helps a person to revive his life. So, what is occupational therapy? By its name, many people understand that it deals with professional job or it is a career oriented occupation. But the fact is occupational therapy focuses on all kind of activities that an individual engages themselves in daily living, like for example feeding, grooming, dressing, bathing, transferring, children activities like playing, reading, writing, social interaction, etc. Throughout this world, there are a lot many people who has difficulty in doing or performing these daily living activities. Occupational therapy helps such people to regain their self confidence and enable them to do activities of daily living independently. By overcoming physical and mental challenges through engaging them in meaningful and purposeful activities. Occupational therapy guides how to do the activities and also modifies the environment according to the individual physical need. Now we will see what is the purpose of occupational therapy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vaishali Nath, occupational therapist and co-founder of Rejuvenate OT Online. So in this video, I'd like to discuss regarding how important an occupational therapy is in a person's life. So when a person with any functional limitations due to any illness, injury or disability comes to an occupational therapist, the main aim of occupational therapy is to make the person independent in his daily living activities despite of his disability. So an initial evaluation is basically done for the client, and then after getting the details regarding what are the limitations the person has, a therapeutic intervention is provided to the client. So, occupational therapy basically works on four different levels while providing the intervention. First is basically the use of adjunctive methods, that is, through the use of any exercises, through use of any inhibition or facilitation techniques, through the use of sensory stimulations, or to the use of range of motion exercises. Next comes the enabling activities. So, enabling activities means where a similar activity that a person is having difficulty is provided to the client so that he gets accustomed to those areas where he is having limitations and where in the future he might return back to the same work. So next is the purposeful activity. In purposeful activity, the person overcomes these two stages and starts working independently in his self-care activities. Next, the last stage is the occupation-based activities. So in occupation-based activities, the person is moved to the original to his real life environment where he is now independent to perform his daily life activities. So, if there is any difficulty again in performing his daily life things in his real environment, the occupational therapy helps them again with through use of adaptive or assistive devices or through any techniques which will help him to live a better life. So, this is how occupational therapy basically helps a client. There are more things that we need to know regarding occupational therapy. So, we'll come with it in the later part also. Thank you so much. So, I'm concluding here. Thank you.
Hello, this is Mrs. Ishani Malik Shahu from Rejuvenate OT Online. Hope so you're all doing well in this COVID situation. And Mrs. Shilpi Moddana and Miss Vaishali Nath has already discussed about what is occupational therapy, what is the purpose of occupational therapy, isn't it? So I think you understood about that. But I would be happy to discuss about Rejuvenate OT online, because it's mainly a online therapy session that we give during this COVID situation and later on, and we feel future is based on online basis. So online therapy would be effective anyway. Even we are trying to do different therapies, we are trying to provide these therapies to the children, to the adults, and it's been found to be truly effective, trust us. Okay, and along with that, we are having multidisciplinary team, that it consists of psychologists and speech therapist, nutritionist, even special educators. So we are actually a special team. Okay, so this team is very important for every person who wants to have rehabilitation. So if you join us in Rejuvenate OT online, you will truly be served the best, and you will be provided whatever is required. The main thing that we do is we refer patients to the particular professionals as per their need, as per their whatever they need. Okay, so don't get panicked, don't think that online therapy won't be effective, only therapist touch will be effective. Don't think so. We are occupational therapists, we know how to create an activity, we know how to create purposeful activity, and along with that, how can we recover patients out of their daily problems that they are facing, the daily problem, the daily schedule they are not able to maintain, how to come back to their original life, how to come back to their work. We can help. So trust us and be with us. Don't panic, don't think that you won't be able to recover much. You will be able to do so. So connect with us, stay with Rejuvenate OT online, and we are there to serve you. Thank you so much. And now after the video, you are going to have some of the conversation of the clients which we serve, and you can I think you can trust us according to that. So just stay tuned and listen to the comments of the clients which come to Rejuvenate OT online. Thank you so much for listening.
Hello, I am Priyanka, a working mother of a 5-year-old kid, and we have associated with Rejuvenate Online since June. It has been really a great journey with the team. The team really do understand what exactly the kid needs, what exactly they should work on, and there is a short-term goal that is defined for the kid. And now, since this is an online therapy and the parents is also involved, it is really a joyful time for both the parent and the kid. And also it is really important to understand what is the problem that your kid is facing and how can you tackle or overcome with it. Now, Rejuvenate Online team is an expert with that. They'll really help you to understand how to do, why to do. Right now, my kid can do many daily activities independently with bare minimal instructions or no instructions. And also, since there's a short term goal is defined and the activities are also planned accordingly, there are many times where my kid is moody or not responding to certain activities. So in those times, the therapist also replan the activities and reschedule the session if required. So it is really a helpful and effective platform for the kid. Being a parent, I know we don't understand the kid many of the times, but with the perfect atmosphere, with the right team, we do achieve certain things that we always aim or dream for. So it's a good teamwork. I'm really happy with my decision. Thank you so much, Rejuvenate Online team.
హలో నా పేరు సురేఖ అండి. మా అమ్మాయి పేరు కశ్వి, మా వారి పేరు సుధీర్. తను మా అమ్మాయి 9 years ఓల్డ్ అనమాట. షీఈస్ బేసిక్లీ డౌన్ సిండ్రోమ్ అమ్మాయి. అండ్ అది మాకు తను పుట్టిన విత్ ఇన్ 1 monthలోనే తెలిసిపోయింది. సో యాక్చువల్లీ ఇన్ అ వే వీ థ్యాంక్ ఆ పీడియాట్రిషియన్ ఫర్ హ్యావింగ్ మాకు చెప్పినందుకు, బికాజ్ వీ బీన్ ఏబుల్ టు టేక్ ఇట్. చాలామంది పేరెంట్స్కి ఆక్యుపేషనల్ థెరపీ అనగానే ఏదో రకరకాల ఆలోచనలు, భయాలు అన్నీ వస్తాయి. ఏం లేదండి, ఇట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ సింపుల్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ సో దట్ మన పిల్లలకి ఏదైతే వాళ్ళు ఇండిపెండెంట్గా చేయలేకపోతున్నారో అది వాళ్ళని చేసేయడానికి హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు. ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే పేరెంట్స్ అయినా కోరుకునేది ఏంటండి, పిల్లలు ఓన్గా ఉండాలి, ఇండిపెండెంట్గా ఉండాలి, నేర్చుకోవాలి, చేయగలాలి. ఆక్యుపేషనల్ థెరపీ అనేది నిజంగా చాలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తుందండి. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ మాకు హైదరాబాద్లో అసలు చాలా చాలా ఇయర్స్ పట్టింది దొరకడానికి. మంచి థెరపిస్ట్ దొరికితే వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఎక్విప్మెంట్ ఉండేది కాదు, వాళ్ళు వర్క్ చేసే సెంటర్లో. లేకపోతే సెంటర్లో ఎక్విప్మెంట్ ఉంటే థెరపిస్ట్ ఉండేవాళ్ళు కాదు. బట్ ఫైనలీ మాకు జూబ్లీ హిల్స్లో ఇన్సింక్ అనే ఒక సెంటర్లో దొరికారు. అలా మాకు వైశాలి మేడం పరిచయం అయ్యారు. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ఇనీషియల్గా ఈ ఆన్లైన్ థెరపీస్ అనగానే యాజ్ అ పేరెంట్ వీఆర్ ఆల్సో వెరీ లైక్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఎలా చేయగలుగుతారు అసలు ఆన్లైన్లో ఓటీ అని అనిపించేది. ఎందుకంటే ఎక్విప్మెంట్స్ ఏముంటాయి, అన్ని ఎక్విప్మెంట్స్ అయితే సెంటర్స్లోనే ఉంటాయి కదా, ఇంట్లో ఎట్లా అని ఫీలింగ్ ఉండేది. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఐ కెన్ సే మేము జూలైలో స్టార్ట్ చేసాము. ఇట్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ లైక్ నౌ లిటరలీ 4 months కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. అసలు ఇంట్లోనే ఎన్ని ఎక్విప్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి పిల్లలకి చేయించడానికి అని మాకు తెలిసింది. ఐ రియలీ థ్యాంక్ రీజునవేట్ ఆన్లైన్ ఓటీ సర్వీసెస్ ఫర్ all the effort that they are doing, and my special thanks to Vaishali ma'am. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Swapna. I have an 8-year-old daughter. She was initially diagnosed with mild development delay. So when we approached for therapy, we actually started off with occupational therapy. She had difficulty in walking, her vision, it was not clear, and also it slowly, as the occupational therapy started off, there were many more issues coming in, say like sensory processing disorder. So she's been taking OT for nearly 3.5 to 4 years now, and I am really glad she has come a long way. Her vision, her walking, her body balancing, everything has improved a lot. I really owe a lot to all her occupational therapists for being there for her throughout her journey so far.
Hi all, my name is Gunendra Misra. I am Lavi father. Currently Lavi is the 6-year-old and she has autism problem. So we have last 3 years back we have started therapy. We are giving from last 3 years we are giving OT, BT and speech. If you talk about how OT help Lavi, so that is help in to reduce the hyperness, help in concentration. Previously she has problem in brushing and swinging. She is not swinging, so now she is able to swing the whatever she is eating, and she has a help in fine motor skill. Means previously she has problem in writing, so now is able to write proper. Means now we can't say 100% properly, but now she is able to write, and she has OT help in censoring, balancing her body, and eye contact, sitting tolerance, and help in understanding what we are. Means now she is able to whatever thing we are saying, she is able to understand. Socialization. So thank you.